Keep an eye on to watch or monitor someone or something carefully. नजर रखना, निगरानी करना. Keep an open house to be ready to welcome visitors at any time. सबका स्वागत करना, खुले दिल का होना. Keep at arm's length to avoid becoming too friendly or close with someone. दूर से सलाम करना, दूरी बनाए रखना. Keep body and soul together. To have just enough money to survive. To stay alive, पेट पालना, किसी तरह गुजारा करना. Keep count of to remember or record the total number of something. हिसाब रखना, गिनती याद रखना. Keep in abeyance to delay or suspend something. Temporarily, ठंडे बस्ते में रखना, टालना. Keep in check to control something and prevent it from increasing or spreading. नियंत्रण में रखना, काबू में रखना. Keep in touch to continue to communicate with someone, especially by phone, letter or email. संपर्क में रहना, मेल जोल बनाए रखना. Keep on a leash to control something tightly. नियंत्रण में रखना. Keep one's cards close to one's chest to keep one's plans or ideas secret. पत्ते न खोलना, अपनी योजना गुप्त रखना. Keep one's chin up to stay positive and hopeful in a difficult time. हिम्मत न हारना, हौसला बनाए रखना. Keep one's head to remain calm and act sensibly in a difficult situation. धीरज न खोना, शांत दिमाग से सोचना. Keep one's head above water to just manage to survive or continue. Especially financially, डूबने से बचना, किसी तरह गुजारा करना. Keep one's shirt on to stay calm and not become angry or impatient. धैर्य रखना, उत्तेजित न होना. Keep one's temper to manage not to become angry despite being provoked. गुस्से पर काबू पाना, आपा न खोना. Keep one's wig on to remain calm and not get angry or impatient. शांत होना, गुस्सा न करना. Keep one's word to do what you promised or said you would do. वादा निभाना, जुबान का पक्का होना. Keep pace to move at the same speed. कदम से कदम मिलाना, बराबर चलना. Keep someone in the loop aware of and involved in what is happening. सूचित रखना, जानकारी साझा करना. Keep someone on a string to control someone while keeping them uncertain. किसी को अधर में लटकाए रखना. Keep someone posted to continue to give someone थे latest information about something. ताज़ा जानकारी देते रहना, खबर देते रहना. Keep something under one's hat to keep something secret. To not tell anyone about something. मुंह में ताला लगाना, राज अपने तक रखना. Keep the ball rolling to maintain the momentum of an activity. To keep something going, काम जारी रखना, सिलसिला चलाए रखना. Keep the wolf from the door to have just enough money to buy food and other essentials. To avoid poverty, गरीबी या भूखमरी से बचना, किसी तरह गुजारा करना. Keep up appearances to hide problems and seem successful or fine to others. दिखावा करना, ऊपरी बनावट रखना. Keep up with the Joneses. To try to match others in wealth, lifestyle or status. दूसरों की बराबरी करना, पड़ोसियों जैसा बनने की कोशिश. Keep your pants or shirt on to be patient and not become anxious or angry. Used to tell someone to calm down. धीरज रखो, जल्दबाजी मत करो. Kick one's heels to wait somewhere with nothing to do. To be kept waiting, हाथ पर हाथ धरे बैठना, इंतजार में समय गंवाना. Kick someone when they are down to make things worse for someone who is already having problems. गिरते को लात मारना, मुसीबत में और परेशान करना. Kick the bucket to die. दम तोड़ना, मर जाना. Kick up a fuss or make a fuss. To complain loudly or cause a disturbance about something. हंगामा खड़ा करना, बवाल करना. Kill two birds with one stone to accomplish two goals with one effort or action. एक तीर से दो शिकार, एक ही प्रयास में दो लक्ष्य हासिल करना. Kith and kin one's friends and relatives, सगे संबंधी. नाते रिश्तेदार, kitty corner positioned diagonally across from something, तिरछा, कोने के सामने, knock on wood, or touch wood, said when you hope for good luck or to avoid jinxing yourself, नजर न लगे कहकर अपशकुन टालना, लकड़ी को छूना, know how many beans make 5 to be sensible and have good practical judgment. To not be easily deceived, अक्लमंद होना, दुनियादारी की समझ होना, know something inside out to know something very thoroughly. To be completely familiar with something, रग रग से वाकिफ होना, पूरी जानकारी होना, know something like the back of one's hand to know a place or subject very well, चप्पे चप्पे से वाकिफ होना, पूरी तरह परिचित होना, know what's what to have good judgment and understanding of things. To know what is important, असली स्थिति को समझना, भले बुरे की पहचान होना, know where the shoe pinches the cause of difficulty that only the affected person knows, जहाँ जूता काटता है, समस्या की जड़, know which way the wind blows to understand how a situation is likely to develop or what people are likely to do, हवा का रुख पहचानना, परिस्थिति को समझना, lame excuse an excuse that is not convincing or believable, कमजोर बहाना, झूठा या अविश्वसनीय बहाना, land a job to succeed in getting a job, especially a good one, नौकरी मिलना, नौकरी हासिल करना, large-hearted generous, kind, and forgiving, दरिया दिल, बड़े दिल वाला, last but not least last in order but not in importance, क्रम में अंतिम पर कम महत्वपूर्ण नहीं, last resort the final option when all other plans fail, आखिरी उपाय, last straw the last in a series of problems that finally causes a reaction, सब्र का आखिरी प्याला, बर्दाश्त की सीमा, late in the day too late to be useful or to change a situation, बहुत देर हो जाना, जब सुधार की गुंजाइश न बचे, laugh like a dream to laugh loudly and uninhibitedly, जोर से हंसना, lay down one's arms to surrender, to stop fighting, हथियार डाल देना, आत्मसमर्पण करना, lay hands on to find, catch or touch someone, हाथ लगना, lay it on thick to exaggerate greatly, नमक मिर्च लगाकर बोलना, बड़ा चढ़ाकर कहना, lay one's cards on the table to be honest and open about your intentions or feelings, खुलकर बात करना, ईमानदार होना, lay someone by the heels to capture or imprison someone, कैद करना, पकड़ लेना, lead astray to guide someone into bad behavior, गुमराह करना, गलत रास्ते पर ले जाना, lead someone by the nose to control someone completely, नकेल हाथ में होना, पूरी तरह नियंत्रित करना, lean and mean efficient, competitive and ready for action, फुर्तीला और असरदार, learn or know the ropes to learn how a particular job or activity is done, काम के तौर तरीके सीखना, अनुभव प्राप्त करना, learn by heart to memorize something so that you can remember it exactly, मुंह ज़बानी याद करना, कंठस्थ करना, leave no stone unturned to do everything possible to find something or achieve something, आकाश पाताल एक करना, कोई कसर न छोड़ना, leave someone in the lurch to leave someone alone when they need help. To abandon someone in a difficult situation, मंझधार में छोड़ देना, मुसीबत में अकेला छोड़ना, leave someone out in the cold to ignore someone or exclude them from a group or activity, नजरअंदाज करना, अलग थलग कर देना, left, right and center everywhere, in all directions, on all sides, हर जगह, चारों ओर, lend a hand to help someone do something, हाथ बटाना, मदद करना, lend an ear to listen carefully to what someone is saying, कान लगाकर सुनना, ध्यान से सुनना, lesser of two evils the less harmful of two unpleasant choices, दो बुराइयों में छोटी बुराई, तुलनात्मक रूप से बेहतर विकल्प, let or blow off steam to release built up energy, emotions or frustration, भड़ास निकालना, गुस्सा या तनाव कम करना. Let fly it to attack or criticize harshly, जोरदार हमला या आलोचना करना. Let off the hook, no longer in trouble or no longer having to deal with a problem, झंझट से छुटकारा, मुसीबत से बचना. Let one's hair down to relax and behave in an informal or uninhibited way, बेफिक्र होकर मौज करना, खुलकर मजे करना. Let something slip through one's fingers to fail to take advantage of an opportunity. To lose something carelessly, हाथ आया मौका गंवाना, अक्सर खो देना. Let the cat out of the bag to reveal a secret by mistake, गलती से राज उजागर करना, भेद खोल देना. Let the chips fall where they may. To allow events to happen without trying to control the outcome, राम भरोसे छोड़ना, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Let the dust settle to wait for a situation to become calmer or clearer before taking action. स्थितियों के सामान्य होने का इंतजार करना, शांति लौटने देना. Let the grass grow under one's feet to delay taking action. To waste time instead of acting, हाथ पर हाथ धरकर बैठना, निष्क्रिय रहना. Level playing field, a situation where everyone has an equal chance of succeeding. समान अवसर की स्थिति, बराबरी का मुकाबला. Lick into shape to bring into proper condition, ठीक हालत में लाना. Lick one's wounds to spend time recovering after a defeat or disappointment. घाव चाटना, हार से उबरना. Lie low to hide or stay somewhere quietly to avoid being found or noticed. छिपे रहना, नजरों से दूर रहना. Life and soul of the party, the most lively and entertaining person at a social event. महफिल की जान, पार्टी को रंगीन बनाने वाला. Life in the fast lane, an exciting but often stressful lifestyle full of activity. भागदौड़ और रोमांच भरा जीवन, तेज रफ्तार जिंदगी. Life is a bowl of cherries, life is pleasant and enjoyable. जिंदगी बड़ी आसान है. व्यंग्य में, light at the end of the tunnel, a sign that a difficult or unpleasant situation is about to end. आशा की किरण, मुश्किल के बाद उम्मीद. Light years away, very far away in distance. Time or progress, बहुत दूर होना, कोसों दूर. Like a bat out of hell, extremely fast. At great speed, बहुत तेजी से, बेतहाशा भागना. Like a cat on a hot tin roof or bricks, very nervous or restless. बहुत बेचैन. Like a red rag to a bull, something that makes someone very angry. Sad. को लाल कपड़ा दिखाना, मुसीबत को न्योता देना. Like a shag on a rock, completely alone and without help. बिल्कुल अकेला, असहाय स्थिति में. Like nailing jelly to a wall, trying to do something that is practically impossible, असंभव काम की कोशिश, बेकार का प्रयास. Like oil and water, two things or people that do not go well together. तेल और पानी की तरह, असंगत होना. Like pulling teeth, very difficult and requiring a lot of effort. नाकों चने चबाना, बेहद मुश्किल काम. Like shooting fish in a barrel to do something that is very easy. बच्चों का खेल, बेहद आसान काम. Like talking to a brick wall. Speaking to someone who ignores everything you say. दीवार से बात करना, जो सुने ही नहीं. Like two peas in a pod, very similar to each other. एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे, एक जैसे. Lily livered. Cowardly. Lacking courage, काय, डरपोक, बुज़दिल. Lion's den, a very dangerous or risky situation. मौत के मुंह में जाना, खतरनाक स्थिति में पड़ना. Little by little, gradually. In small steps or amounts, धीरे धीरे, क्रमशः. Life hand to mouth, to have only just enough money to live on and nothing extra. मुश्किल से गुजारा करना, जितना कमाना उतना खाना. Life high on the hog. To live in luxury or extravagance, ऐशो आराम से रहना, विलासितापूर्ण जीवन. Live wire, a lively, energetic and enthusiastic person. जिंदादिल व्यक्ति, चुस्त फुर्तीला इंसान. Loaded language deliberately used to provoke strong feelings, भावनाएं भड़काने वाली भाषा. Loaves and fishes personal. Material gain or benefits, भौतिक लाभ, स्वार्थ की पूर्ति. Lock horns to have an argument or fight with someone, सींग फंसाना, झगड़ा करना या भिड़ जाना. Lock. Stock and barrel including everything. Entirely, पूरी तरह से, सब कुछ मिलाकर. Long in the tooth getting old, उम्रदराज होना, बूढ़ा होना. Long shot an attempt or guess that is unlikely to succeed but worth trying, सफलता की कम संभावना. दूर की कौड़ी, look black to appear threatening or gloomy. When the situation looks bad, संकट के बादल दिखना, स्थितियां चिंताजनक होना. Look blue to appear sad or unhappy, उदास दिखना, मायूस लगना. Look down one's nose to regard someone or something as inferior. To show contempt, नाक भान सिकोड़ना, तुच्छ या निम्न समझना. Look forward to feel excited and pleased about something that is going to happen, बेसब्री से इंतजार करना, खुशी के साथ प्रतीक्षा करना. Look sharp to hurry up. To be quick and alert, मुस्तैद रहना, सतर्क रहना. Loose cannon a person who behaves unpredictably and may cause problems, बेकाबू व्यक्ति, खतरनाक और अनियंत्रित व्यक्ति. Loosen the apron strings to give someone more freedom, नियंत्रण ढीला करना, आज़ादी देना. Loosen the purse strings to become more willing to spend money or give money, जेब ढीली करना, खर्च बढ़ाना. Lose by a neck to lose by a very small margin, बहुत कम अंतर से हारना. Lose count of to fail to remember the total number of something, गिनती भूलना, याद न रहना कितने थे. Lose face to be less respected or look stupid because of something you have done, नजरों से गिरना, शर्मिंदा होना. Lose ground to become less successful or powerful. To lose an advantage, पिछड़ जाना, अपनी स्थिति खोना. Lose heart to stop believing that you can succeed, हिम्मत हारना, निराश हो जाना. Lose one's head to become unable to think clearly or act sensibly, आपा खोना, समझ बूझ खो बैठना. Lose one's marbles to become crazy or act very strangely, पागल होना, दिमाग खराब होना. Lose one's temper to become very angry, आपा खोना, गुस्सा होना. Lose one's touch to lose the ability or skill to do something well, पहले जैसी कुशलता न रहना, हाथ का हुनर जाता रहना. Mad as a hatter, completely crazy or eccentric, पूरी तरह सनकी या पागल. पुनर्तः पागल, made out of whole cloth, completely invented or made up. Not based on fact, मनगढ़ंत, पूरी तरह झूठा और काल्पनिक. Magic or silver bullet, a simple solution to a complicated problem. रामबाण इलाज, जटिल समस्या का सरल समाधान. Maiden speech, the first speech. Made by someone, पहला भाषण. Make a beeline for to go quickly and directly towards something or someone. बिना रुके किसी चीज की ओर जाना, सीधे पहुंचना. Make a clean breast of to confess everything. Honestly, अपराध स्वीकार करना, साफ साफ इकरार करना. Make a comeback to return to a successful position after a period of being unsuccessful. वापसी करना, फिर से सफल होना. Make a dent in to make progress in something. To reduce an amount noticeably, कुछ असर डालना. कमी लाना. Make a fool of oneself to do something that makes you look silly or stupid. हंसी का पात्र बनना, बेवकूफ़ी भरी हरकत करना. Make a fortune to earn a very large amount of money, मालामाल होना. बहुत धन कमाना. Make a hash of to do something very badly. To ruin something, कबाड़ा करना, काम बिगाड़ देना. Make a living to earn enough money to support yourself. रोजी रोटी कमाना, जीविका चलाना. Make a mockery of to make something appear ridiculous or worthless. मजाक बना देना, उपहास करना. Make a mountain out of a molehill to make a small problem seem much bigger than it actually is. राई का पहाड़ बनाना, छोटी सी बात को बड़ा बनाना. Make a pig's ear of something to do something very badly. बुरी तरह बिगाड़ देना, गड़बड़ कर देना. Make a pile to earn a large amount of money. मालामाल होना, ढेर सारा पैसा कमाना. Make a quick buck to earn money quickly. Often in a dishonest or careless way. दो नंबर से या जल्दी पैसा कमाना, आसान पैसा. Make a scapegoat of to blame someone unfairly for something that is not their fault. बलि का बकरा बनाना, दूसरों के दोष के लिए किसी को दंडित करना. Make a scene to cause a public disturbance by expressing strong emotion. Especially anger, तमाशा खड़ा करना, सार्वजनिक स्थान पर चिल्लाना या हंगामा करना. Make a splash to attract a lot of attention. Especially by being successful, धूम मचाना, सबका ध्यान आकर्षित करना. Make a wry face to twist your face to show disappointment, disgust or amusement. मुंह बनाना, असंतोष प्रकट करना. Make amends to do something to correct a mistake that you have made. A bad behavior, प्रायश्चित करना, भरपाई करना. Make an ass of oneself to behave stupidly and make yourself look foolish. मूर्खता करना, बेवकूफ बनना. Make both ends meet to have just enough money to pay for basic needs. किसी तरह से गुजारा करना, आमदनी में खर्च पूरा करना. Make bricks without straw to try to do something without the necessary resources. बिना संसाधन काम करना, असंभव प्रयास करना. Make fun of to mock or ridicule, मजाक उड़ाना. Make head or tail of to understand something, समझना. Make it big to become very successful or famous. बड़ा आदमी बनना, बड़ी कामयाबी पाना. Make light of to treat something as if it is not important or serious. हल्के में लेना, गंभीरता से न लेना. Make matters worse to make a bad situation even worse. मामला और बिगाड़ना, स्थिति और खराब करना. Make merry to enjoy yourself by eating, drinking and having fun. मौज मस्ती करना, जश्न मनाना. Make no bones about to say or do something openly without hesitation. साफ साफ कहना, बिना झिझक स्पष्ट बोलना. Make no headway to fail to make any progress toward a goal. प्रगति न करना, आगे न बढ़ना. Make one's flesh crawl or creep to make someone feel very frightened or disgusted. रोंगटे खड़े कर देना, घृणा या डर से सिहर उठना. Make one's blood boil to make someone extremely angry. खून खौलना, बहुत गुस्सा आना. Make one's blood run cold to feel very frightened or horrified. हाथ पैर ठंडे पड़ना, भयभीत होना. Make one's mark to become successful or famous in a particular area. नाम कमाना, अपनी पहचान बनाना. Make one's mouth water to make someone want to eat something because it looks or smells delicious. मुंह में पानी आना, ललचाना. Make one's toes curl to cause embarrassment, disgust or discomfort, शर्म, घिन या असहजता से सिकुड़ जाना. Make room to move so that there is space for someone or something else. जगह बनाना, स्थान देना. Make short work of to finish or deal with something very quickly. चुटकी में निपटा देना, जल्द खत्म करना. Make the most of to use something to its best advantage. अधिकतम लाभ उठाना. Make up one's mind to decide. To come to a firm decision. फैसला करना, दृढ़ निश्चय करना. Make waves to cause trouble or controversy. To create a significant impression. हंगामा खड़ा करना, विवाद पैदा करना. Make believe to pretend or imagine that something is true or real. दिखावा करना, कल्पना करना, बहाना बनाना. Man in the street. An average person. Typical member of the public. आम आदमी, साधारण व्यक्ति. Man of letters, a person who is very knowledgeable about literature. A writer, विद्वान व्यक्ति, साहित्यकार. Man of means a person who has a lot of money. A rich person, धनी व्यक्ति, संपन्न आदमी. Man of spirit a person with courage, energy and determination, साहसी व्यक्ति, हिम्मत वाला. Man of straw a person who has no real power or importance, कमजोर व्यक्ति, कठपुतली. Man of the world a man with a lot of experience of life and other people, अनुभवी और व्यवहारिक व्यक्ति, दुनियादार, mealy mouthed, unwilling to say what you really mean. Especially to avoid causing offense, दबी जुबान से बोलने वाला, साफ बात न करने वाला. Meet one's eyes to look directly at someone. Especially when you are being honest, आंखों में आंखें डालना, नजर मिलाना. Meet one's Waterloo to suffer a final defeat. To be completely defeated, अंतिम और निर्णायक हार का सामना करना. Meet someone halfway to agree to do part of what someone wants in order to reach an agreement, बीच का रास्ता निकालना, समझौता करना. Melting pot a place where people of different races, cultures, and ideas mix together, संस्कृतियों का मिश्रण, विविधता का केंद्र. Memory like a sieve a very poor memory. The tendency to forget things easily, कमजोर याददाश्त, चलनी जैसी याद. Mend one's ways to start behaving better. To stop doing bad things, चाल चलन सुधारना, अपनी बुराइयां छोड़ना. Method in one's madness is sensible reason for what seems like crazy behavior, पागलपन या बेतुके कार्यों के पीछे कारण होना. Midas. Touch the ability to make a lot of money or be successful in everything. पारस जैसा स्पर्श, जिस काम में हाथ डालें वही सफल हो जाना. Might as well, do something, doing something is equally reasonable. चलो यही सही, milk and water weak and lacking determination or strong opinions, कमजोर और प्रभावहीन. Milk of human kindness the natural tendency to be kind and sympathetic, मानवीय दया, स्वाभाविक. करुणा, mince matters, or words, to speak carefully or vaguely to avoid offending. घुमा फिराकर बात करना, साफ न बोलना. Mind one's language to be careful not to say anything rude or offensive. जुबान संभालकर बात करना, शिष्ट भाषा का प्रयोग. Mind one's P's and Q's to be very careful about what you say or do. To behave properly, शिष्टाचार का पूरा ध्यान रखना, हरकतों पर ध्यान. Miss the boat, or bus, to fail to take advantage of an opportunity, मौका हाथ से निकल जाना, अवसर खो देना. Monkey business. Dishonest, silly, or mischievous behavior, हेराफेरी, धोखाधड़ी वाली हरकत. Months on end for several months continuously, लगातार कई महीनों तक, बिना रुके. Moot point a subject that people disagree about or that has no clear answer, विवादास्पद विषय, बहस का मुद्दा, more or less approximately. To some extent, लगभग, कम बेसी, थोड़ा बहुत. Move heaven and earth to try extremely hard to do something. To do everything possible, आकाश पाताल एक कर देना, हर संभव प्रयास करना. Move the goalposts to change the rules or requirements unfairly, खेल के बीच में नियम बदल देना, बेईमानी करना. Moved to tears. Feeling such strong emotion that you start crying, आंखें भर आना, भावुक होकर रो पड़ना. Much ado about nothing a lot of fuss or excitement about something unimportant, बात का बतंगड़, बिना बात का. शोर शराबा, mum's the word used to tell someone to keep a secret and refuse to change your position. मुंह बंद रखना, राज न खोलना. Nail it to do something perfectly, कुछ बिल्कुल सही करना. Nail once.